जय हिंद दोस्तों, हाउ आर यू? So today's topic is एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ ऑक्साइड। ऑक्साइड कौन सा है, एसिडिक होगा, बेसिक होगा, उसके बारे में हम लोग आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दोस्तों। क्या बोल रहा है? इट इज ऑब्जर्व दैट द एज द पोलराइजेशन इंक्रीजेस द एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ ऑक्साइड इंक्रीजेस। जैसे जैसे फाई का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा, जैसे जैसे फाई का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा, फाई इज आयनिक पोटेंशियल। व्हाट इज फाई? फाई इज आयनिक पोटेंशियल। We have already studied that the value of phi equal to Q by R. Value of phi equal to Q by R. Charge by size. When the value of phi increases, polarizability increases, the acidic nature of oxide increases. Okay, let's check. Acidic nature of oxide. Sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminium oxide, SiO2, P2O5, SO3 and Cl2O7. On moving from left to right, polarizability increases. You have studied in the Fajans rule, polarizability increases. So the acidic nature of oxide increases, gentlemen. On moving from this, in the last you can take Cl2O7 also. Oxygen is same. Now move from lithium. You can also go for lithium. Lithium oxide, Li2O. Beryllium, PeO. Boron. Okay. In this also, on going from left to right, left से right जा रहे हैं, polarizability increases, value of phi increases, the nature of acidic oxide increases. More the acidic oxide. On moving from left to right, more the acidic oxide. Yes, sir. Higher the charge, higher the polarizability. You can also see here, CO2 is more acidic than CO. Because of the more polarizability, because of the more polarizability. Okay, gentlemen, please copy करें आप इसको. Yes, sir. You can take one more example. उसमें आप बताइए. A strand of acidic nature. Yes, sir. Which of the following is most acidic? Which of the following is most acidic? सबसे ज्यादा एसिडिक कौन सा है? चेक. N2O, NO, N2O3, NO2 and N2O5. Check. Anion is same, cation is also same. लेफ्ट हैंड सब में N है, राइट हैंड सब में O है. हायर पोलराइजेबिलिटी, फॉर हायर पोलराइजेबिलिटी you have focus on the Q by R. Q by R. जितना ज्यादा चार्ज होगा, साइज कम होगा, हायर द पोलराइजेबिलिटी, more the acidic oxide is. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Here N is in state +1. Here N +2. Here N +3. Here N +4 and here N +5. On going from here, on going from 1 to 5, charge increases, size decreases, polarizability increases, so the acidic nature of oxide increases. So what he asked? He asked, which of the following is most acidic? So go with the option number 5. Question may be asked in this pattern also. एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ, एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ में भी आप आ सकते हैं ऑन गोइंग लेफ्ट टू राइट, ऑन गोइंग फ्रॉम 1 to 5, चार्ज इंक्रीजेज, साइड डिक्रीजेज, जो एसिडिक नेचर इंक्रीजेज. यस सर. 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, you can copy it. Hurry up, please. There is also formula given for the under root of 5. Formula given for under root of 5. On behalf of that formula, we can also judge whether the oxide is acidic or basic. इस पे डायरेक्टली वैल्यू देके क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. इसको आप कॉपी कीजिए, फिर हम आगे चलेंगे. 2.2 से कम होगा तब ये होगा बेसिक, 2.2 से 3.2 होगा अम्फोटेरिक, उससे ज्यादा आएगा तो ये आएगा आपके पास में एसिडिक. formula. Yes sir, please note it down. Under root of 5, under root of 5 less than 2.2. Second, under root of 5, under root of 5 is between 2.2 and 2.2 से ज्यादा होगा. ये 2.2 से कम मीन्स इट इज 2.199 or 2.1 or 2.0. When 2.2 comes, it will be in the criteria of the amphoteric. Criteria of the amphoteric 2.2 and 3.2. This is the case of basic oxide. This is the case of amphoteric. And the last one is the case of acidic oxide. What is the value? ये 2.2 तक तो आ चुका है, 2.2 से 3.2 amphoteric and more than 3.2 it will be acidic oxide. Sir, if value comes to be 3.2 then we consider here. If value comes to be 3.1 consider here. If value comes to be 3.4 consider here. Okay, कॉपी कीजिए. हम आपको न्यूमेरिकल दे रहे हैं, उसमें डाटा देंगे, अब आपको सॉल्व करना है विच इज एसिडिक और विच इज बेसिक. यस सर, हरी अप. पीईओ हम आपको सबके वैल्यू दे रहे हैं. यू हैव टू मार्क एसिडिक और बेसिक नेचर. मार्क एसिडिक, बेसिक और एम्फोटेरिक नेचर. एसिडिक, बेसिक और एम्फोटेरिक नेचर ऑफ द ऑक्साइड्स. PeO, Al2O3, MgO, N2O5. यस सर, बताइए सर यहां पर क्या है? Pe+2, here Al+3, here Mg+2 and here N+. जितना ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज, हायर द पोलराइजेबिलिटी, मोर द नेचर ऑफ एसिडिक. इसका वैल्यू दिया हुआ है आपको. √5 इक्वल टू 2.54. √5 इक्वल टू √5 इक्वल टू √5 इक्वल टू all the values of phi are given to you. is 2.45. It is 2.54. First one is 2.54 and second is 2.45. The value will be given to you. This is 1.66. अब बताइए फोर्थ का वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा कि कम होगा? N+5 highly acidic, no doubt its value given will be more than 3.2. Yes sir, चलो हम आपका वैल्यू लिखवा देते हैं. Its value given to you, let it is 10.66. This is the information given to you. Okay, अगर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देगा तो भी हम बात कर लेंगे. See, you have to remember the range only. Gentlemen, you have to remember the range only. You have to remember the range only. You have to remember this range. Okay. 2.2 to 3.2. 2.2 से कम होगा बेसिक, हायर होगा एसिडिक. नथिंग. You have to remember this range only, 2.2 to 3.2. Yes sir. Will you please move on the next page? 2.2 से कोई कम आ रहा है? Yes sir. This is basic. 3.2 से ज्यादा आ रहा है? Yes sir. This is acidic. Sir, any value between 2.2 and 3.2. This is between 2.2 and 3.2. This is also between 2.2 and 3.2. These both are amphoteric. So, now it is quite clear to all of you the nature of oxide, whether it is basic or acidic. I want to say that higher the polarizability or higher the value of ionic potential phi, it moves towards acidic nature of oxide. Lower the value, it is towards the basic nature. On going left to right in the period, the value of phi increases, so acidic behavior increases. This we have studied. Here. On going left to right, acidic nature of oxide increases. On going left to right, acidic nature of oxide increases. Okay, copy it. Yes, you can also take CO2 and N2O5. Yes, Garvit, you can also take CO2 and N2O5 here. Why not? CO2 and N2O5 are the members of the same period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, all the members of the same period. So on going to left to right, acidic nature of oxide increases. This is most acidic and this is not acidic, this is basic. Okay, so please give me permission. On next time we will come with a new topic. Till then it's okay, bye bye.